Hello friends, welcome to Utkarna Trading YouTube channel. Today I will be sharing insights into my Bitcoin investment journey, particularly focusing on my December 4, 2023 Bitcoin purchase, which is now securely stored in my self-custody wallet. In this video, we will dwell into the two prominent strategies for buying Bitcoin, lump sum investment and monthly investment, also known as rupee cost averaging. Lump sum investment comes with two primary risks. One is the price risk, another one is the time risk. Let's explore these risks in detail. Now what we are seeing is Bitcoin's weekly time frame. Imagine putting all your money in at one specific time. If the price drops later, you miss out on buying Bitcoin when it's cheaper because you have already invested everything at this point. It's tough to catch the lowest price. Bitcoin goes up and down. Sometimes it's expensive, sometimes it's a bit more affordable. If you invest everything at one time, you miss out on better opportunities when things are looking up, or the chances of making money are higher. Monthly investment. Imagine regularly putting some money into Bitcoin every month. This mass strategy helps to reduce the impact of Bitcoin prices ups and downs. When prices are low, you end up buying more, which brings down the overall average cost of your Bitcoin investments. Let's examine the real world examples such as MicroStrategy and El Salvador. We will gain insights into the success of rupee cost averaging. As of November 30, 2023, MicroStrategy owns 1,74,530 Bitcoins. The company's announcement reveals that average purchase price per Bitcoin is $30,252 per Bitcoin with a total cost of $5.28 billion. MicroStrategy initiated its first Bitcoin buying in the year 2023 with the purchase of 21,454 Bitcoins for $250 million. Subsequently, the company continued to buy Bitcoins throughout 2020, throughout 2021, 2022, 2023, adjusting its purchases based on prevailing market prices during each respective time period. This picture shows how MicroStrategy has been consistently buying Bitcoin at different prices and different time. It indicates that MicroStrategy is aiming to gather as much Bitcoin as they can. This strategy aligns with the common practice among the Bitcoin enthusiasts, who tend to hold on to their Bitcoin rather than sell it, because people in the Bitcoin community believe that if they sell their Bitcoin, it might be challenging to buy the same amount of Bitcoin later because the value of the Bitcoin tends to increase over time. Let's explore another illustration of rupee cost averaging. El Salvador is a country situated in the Central America and is headed by the President Mr. Nayib Bukele. Nayib Bukele on November 17, 2022 made an announcement that the country would acquire Bitcoin on a daily basis. After Nayib Bukele announced it, the El Salvador continued to buy Bitcoin every day. Unfortunately, during a period when Bitcoin's value was dropping, known as a bear market, their investment was losing money. So this led to the criticism from the media. However, when the Bitcoin entered a period of rising prices, also known as bull market, their investment started making profits. As of December 4, 2023, El Salvador has made a profit of $36,20,277 from their Bitcoin investment, which is now a part of country's overall investment. This is El Salvador Bitcoin buying purchase details. As you can see, these green colors dots are the El Salvador Bitcoin purchases. Similar to the strategy used by MicroStrategy, El Salvador made these Bitcoin purchases over different times and at various prices. El Salvador is the first country in the world to officially accept and use Bitcoin as a regular form of money. Similar to how we use Indian rupees for transactions in our country, people in El Salvador can use Bitcoin for their everyday financial activities. El Salvador is really into Bitcoin. They are not just buying it. The government is also using volcanoes to mine Bitcoin. Volcanoes eruptions happen a lot in El Salvador, and they are using the energy from the volcanoes for Bitcoin mining. In simple terms, El Salvador is ahead of everyone when it comes to using Bitcoin. It's important to mention that both MicroStrategy and El Salvador country are in profit. Just like them and many other Bitcoiners, I have been using the rupee cost averaging method, and I am also making a profit. According to a report, 90% of Bitcoiners are currently in profit. So here is the quick summary. For buying Bitcoin, the regularly investing a fixed amount over time, that is rupee cost averaging, is considered the best approach. Bitcoin is currently in a phase where it is gathering the interest, that is accumulation. With less than 0.5% global adoption, this suggests it still has significant potential for value growth. Bitcoin enthusiasts believe that as long as the price is below $1 lakh, it's good opportunity to buy considering its expected future value. If you think you have missed the chance to invest in Bitcoin, don't worry, we are very early in 2023. My personal Bitcoin strategy is keep buying Bitcoin as much as possible because Bitcoin is a savings technology. Unlike our regular money, which loses value, Bitcoin tends to go up in price. Ignore all the noise, be humble. Don't worry about the rumors that the government or politicians might try to stop Bitcoin. It's very hard to do that, so just focus on your own plans. Also, keep your Bitcoin amount a secret, don't tell anyone. The third point is get fabulously wealthy in Bitcoin. If you find this content valuable, please like the video and subscribe to Utkarna Trading channel for future updates. Feel free to post any questions in the comment section and I will be sure to address them. Thank you for watching and have a great day.